on a side project. But then while I was working on the side project, right, I was looking through my old codes and whatever on Pazio, and I think this was about 3 years ago. Then I looked at it, I was like, oh my god, this one program I wrote a long time ago had so much errors in it. So I was like, how about I just remake it, right? Because of the knowledge I have now. And because last time I remember I wrote it in Java, because then I was good with Java, then I forgot everything about JavaScript, right? So I wrote it in C++ this time, right? And that's what we're about to do. We're about to make it right now. Well, I already wrote the code. Once I'm done with this, I'm just gonna paste it and see how that looks. Post on YouTube channel. So this is a Pig Latin translator. I cannot spell for nothing, but we're not going to speak on it. Alright, so let's see. So first we are going to need stay a little slow. We are going to need a button, and that button is gonna be right here. I don't know if I want it skinny or slow, or yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. And the button is going to say translate. Let's change it and turn it to 25 so it can be big. No, too big. Let's see. But 18 work? Yep, I like it. Now let's see. Change the color. Right. I don't know why I have. No. Maybe green. What y'all think? Green? Yep, green. And then I can't move this. Shoot. Then we are going to need a box, and the box should say, we are going to make this 25. I don't care. Just make it 25. 25. The box should say, type in the word you would like to translate. Right? Enter. Oh no, you gotta reduce it. Alright, let's see. 20. Okay. Type in the words you would like to translate. It's too big. I want it to be big. It's too big. Alright. Type in the words you would like to translate, and another text box will be right over there. And it say type ... type ... Make it big too. I think I can make this 25. Yeah, I think I can do that. Can I make it a text box that will allow somebody to put an input? Let's see. Oh, I'm slow. Delete. Text box. Right over here. And this will come down right over here. And another button is going to say Pig Latin Translator. And I will say Pig Latin. I don't know why I keep putting G. Like, oh my god. Pig Latin Translator. Tor. Please tell me I can make this one big. Yep. And let's change the font. It doesn't look enough. Come on. this. No. Oblique. And let's see how that look. Yep, I like it. So right here, the box is going to be right over here. They're going to type in the word, and I think we're about done. Yeah, we should be about done. Save. And then we're going to go start coding. Let's see. Well, not really coding because it's already been done. So let's see this. So this was the thing I was talking about. Let's see. Start from right here. We don't even really need all this include button. I wasn't that good in programming way back then, and I was like, just in case I do not want any errors, that I should do the include button. I was so bad that this count button, instead of putting count, I did this. Yeah, it was terrible, really terrible. But we got it now. We are good. So let's see. First, we are going to do this paste. And that's too many lines of code. So we are going to remove this int main because we do not need it. Where does the thing end? Int main. It does not have a declared identifier. Whatever. So the welcome to Pig Latin Translator. Remove that. Because I think I already have it in main Pig Latin Translator. Yep, remove it. Then what else? What else do we need? Do I need to put this? Let's see. I'll put this is letter string input. How can I put bool is letter string input? Let's see. I'll put it in the text, in this text file, and I'll say blah 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 blah. At this point, converts character to uppercase version of if character is not AZ, return false. We're gonna leave that right there. What does it say? Quick fix. What do you need? Okay, that's 7. Let's see. You don't need it. That's a function. For blah 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 blah. Oh, I didn't need that. Let's see. Back over here. So how are they going to let this slide, but not let that slide? That don't make sense. Sometimes I just look at Visual Studio, just like, what? No. Delete this. Into the word. I already did that. Then this, I'll copy this. Guess there's statements, and I'll put it in. Let's see. Translate. And I'll put the if blah 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 is blah 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 blah. Dog, what is your problem? What is with you? Still not gonna fix it because it's going to need a definition. Watch. Okay. Alright, so then I'm going to delete this because that statement cannot be in that. And this string copy, go back down, create the string. Alright, so new word. Oh shoot. Now we're gonna have a problem. The else. I didn't copy the else. They got videos. Move back up. We are not using namespace STD. So now time to fix this. Input. Right. Sorry, string. So I created the string input. STD string input. So I created the string input, but I did not give it a thing. So let's say text box 1. So how will I collect the user's input? I'll just put text box 1. Whatever it's text box 1 string input equals to text. No. Yeah. No. Text box 1 right over there. Oh my god, right over here. Jesus Christ. Text box 1 text. Right? That should work. Not suitable. So should I create a header file? And then I'll call this function? Yeah, I should create a header file. So let's see. Add header file. For some reason, it's not going to allow me to put definition inside. So I don't really care what the name is. No, I do care about it. So let's see. Things. I really, honestly, did not expect it to take this long. So let's see. We're gonna get this. Oh, now you're working. God, swear to God. Just want to kill you sometimes. You know that feeling you just can't. Just hashtag include iOS string. No, iOS string. Get it right. So save. Yeah, remove this. But then this might not work. So let's see. Right, and it said it's not defined. Create a definition. I know. Give me a second. Go to this. Delete. Delete? No. Copy. C. Copy. Delete. And create a CPP file. This is called things, and we're just gonna call the CPP file things too. CPP things being complicated for no reason at all. And then I'm gonna say include things.h. And then I'm gonna say include iOS string. Include iOS string. Okay, yep. And then I'll copy and paste this. So it's main.h. Save. Right? Delete this completely. Right. Now we got that done. We're gonna go to main.h, go up, and put include, and we'll things.h, and go back down. Right. We are going to delete this. No, should we? Because Here we define it and say is letters. So let's create another input saying std string yo equals to text box 1 text, and then save, right? It should save. Let's see. Save. Unless you're saying text box 1 does not exist. Let's see the error. Input main.h. So line 132, that error. So maybe I have to make it this. Would that fix it? No, that would fix it, but using should fix it. A handle of non-managed class is not allowed. 132. This is very inclusive. But before we do that, where is it? Main.h design. So this is a place we can load input. So we're going to let's make it large though, just in case. No, it's going to take forever to load. I'm gonna stop right over here till it load again. I kind of went ahead and finished everything because I don't think that y'all needed to see that, but I'm going to explain it because it was too much typing and I was crying a little bit because yes, I was, because I couldn't get it right at first and it took me a bunch of times, but I got it right now this time. So I went ahead and added Piglet to translate. I don't remember if I did it last time. Then I did this, type in the word, they're going to type it in, your word in Pig Latin, then it's going to show right over here. So the code was this. So first I took the word from the box, what they typed in, and saved it, and because I couldn't save it directly into a string variable, I had to save it to a car variable, which translate, I had to change it from system string to car. Then I had to, in another line, I had to change it from car to cc bstr. Then after that, I changed it from that to I changed from ccobstr to cs string a. Then after that, I later changed it to std string basic string. I know what you're thinking. Why did I have to do all that? I don't even know either. But that's the only way the code would work. So then later on, I went ahead. I made a if variable, if statement. I said, if this is true, this should run. If basic string length, basic string, and the length of it, if it's more than 0, so just to make sure they're actually typing something incorrect, this string should run. It should start by creating a new variable called fl, and what fl does is takes the, I just noticed something, my bad. What fl does is it takes the first, let me save it, it takes the first letter of basic string and holds onto it. Then I create a new variable called std string, the new word, And what that does is it takes all of it together. It puts basic string first, then L, then FL, then basic string, FL, then PYG. Then after I run it the first time, I noticed that the first letter was still there. So I said, okay, how can I erase it? And that's what this is for. It erased the first letter of the first word. And then in this string, it saves what the value of the first letter of the new word. It saves the value of the new word into the label for text, and which is this, into this, right? But if that does not work, this will print out. Let me change it from that to label for text. That will print out. Alright, let's see if it works. It's gonna take a while, like always. Possible incorrect. Oh, never mind. Alright, it's working. Was that an error? System cannot find specific file. I'm really so close to screaming. Let's see what I did wrong. So how is it? Maybe it's a compile error. Let's see. Unresolved token main.obg. Unresolved token issue error. Can you? Oh my god. Unresolved token blah 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 issue error. Main.obg. It was 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Something. I mean, I changed the value 3 times. Is that what it's causing it? Let's see. They're the same. Oh, they're not the same error. This is a 2028 error, and this is Okay, we ignore this one because this one just says unresolved error. So if we fix those first 2, it should fix. Let's see. Exported function created reference function. When attempting to import a native function into a pure image, remember that the explicit calling convention differ between native and pure. Option is the This code sample generates a component with an exported native function whose calling convention. In function. Wait, was it because I didn't? I'm confused. Feedback. No, if that happens, I swear to God. Just decorated int reference. but that did not explain it. When attempting to import a native function into a pure image, remember that the implicit calling conventions differs. I pause the video again so I can finish it up. So I think I got it right this time. So I changed everything instead of having so much conversion from this to this to this to this. I just changed it from car to W string. I don't know what that is. I just hope that will work, right? So I already explained this. Basic string length, this, adds this to the end, whatever, I don't care. And then creates a new variable, W string, blah 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 blah. Let's test it out. Are you kidding me? I'm just okay. You know what? We about to use Pageo because. All right, so where Pageo at? All right, so excuse me. So the first thing I did in Pageo, right? Ignore this include file again. I explained it. First thing I did in Pageo, bool letters. Check to see if the letters were actually letters. Then I did a whole bunch of using namespace STD. Am I gonna need that? Did I use namespace STD? I gotta use it. Alright, then I include all this whole stuff, right? Explained it. Said welcome to Pig Latin, blah 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 blah. AY, new variable, enter the word you want to translate, blah 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 blah. Okay, we done with that. Now let's check it out. So for input, I put stuff. So in Pig Latin, the first thing they're going to take away is the S, right? And then the tough, they're going to add an AY at the end. So let's check it out. Tough say. Yep, that looks like it. Let's do one more just to make sure we're right. Let's see. B, no, not 2 words. B. And let's run that.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Igbe.